What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is February the 3rd of February, and I am here to do an unboxing. And I want y'all to see the stuff that I got today. I have one from a YouTuber, awesome YouTuber. And as you can see, this is from, as you can see it, Passion Trees Arts. You know what I mean? And more. AKA Tracy Sweet Touch Production Inc. And it got her information on here. It got her QR code, so if y'all want to order something from her, let me put it in the screen so y'all can see it. Y'all can order something from her. But let's see, what did she send me in the mail? That is the question. Gotta be careful. Use this right here, the handy dandy. Because you don't want to cut yourself or what's in the bag. Let's see what this is. Passion Tree Arts, I definitely appreciate the gift. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. As we have a card to come in as well. Tracy Touch, have a nice day. Ooh. 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 Hold on. Let's see what this say. It say, hello. Hello. It said, thanks for being a great guy and a fantastic supporter. I hope these gifts that I created for you are useful, and I hope you enjoy them. Love, PIA, aka Tracy. Yeah, boop, 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 boop. Thank you so very much. They call it PIA. That's Passion Tree Arts. So let's go see what these gifts are. You know what I mean? Oh, this is nice. The J Jordan exercise. I like that. Look at that. See that? That's awesome, right? I'll probably wear it. I'm gonna wear it on my next live. See what it is. Open it up. Wear it on my next live. Let's get it. Let's get it. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, these the mask. You got the mask. You see it? It's awesome. It got my logo. It got my QR code. Hey, I needed this when I was on the cruise. PIA, Personal Tree Arts. It's an entertainment, fitness, and life. That's what I be doing. I like this. I like this one. And then you got two different versions. And the other one is this one right here. Let's see, you gotta turn it upside down. Yeah, the ThejJordanFitness. This is nice. The J Jordan. One of them say exercise, the other say fitness. Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down. I like this. I really do like this. Passion Tree Arts. I'm definitely gonna wear it. Then we got this right here. Let's see. It's a pouch. Got the J Jordan. Let's see what's in it though. Let's see what's in it. I definitely appreciate it. She said she's gonna send me some, but I know she's been busy, so it took a while, and then we had to figure out what it was. Hey. Okay. I might have to wear some blue. The sweatband with my logo on my top of my thing. The J Jordan. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to order some other ones in different colors as well, cause I like this. I really do like this. I had to put you on the payroll, player. Put you on the payroll. And look at this. Look at this. The motorcycle outdoor. Oh, this is awesome. Hey, good idea. This is nice. I get these to some other colors too, you know what I mean? So this is one I can put on my form and stuff while I'm having really rocking my merch. Oh, this is about to be awesome. I do like this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do like it. And the other one is it got the the entertainment, fitness, and life. It's what's up. That is what's up. I'm over here smelling hard with these things. I'm like, now I got me. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let's open this thing up. Let me fan y'all off. Let's get it. Ooh. Y'all see that? If this ain't the truth, this is awesome. This is awesome. And I do like the ideals that you did with these. This is fantastic. Entertainment, life, outdoor, it said life, outdoor entertainment, motorcycle, fitness, TheJ Jordan, and my favorite colors is green and blue. My favorite colors are black, green, and blue. And she got them in green and blue. It is awesome. Entertainment on the top. Life is in the middle. Motorcycles on the right. We got the fitness at the bottom right. We got the outdoor on the bottom left. Oh man, this is the truth. I'm definitely feeling these. So when I go do my workout, like let me wipe the sweat off my face. You know what I mean? Let me wipe the sweat off me. Oh, this is going down. Thank you very much, Campbellton St Arts.
Someone at your front door.
There's somebody driving by. So whatever y'all do, make sure y'all go check her out. She left, let me see if there's anything else in here. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. And you know me. She got her QR code and stuff on the back. I'm like, I'm about to take that thing out of there. Like, give me that. It's mine now, Blair. It's mine now. Hold on. Like, you're not going to stay on the bag. You're going to stay in my pocket. Because that's what we do around here. Like, so if y'all want to scan it, y'all can scan it. Campbellton St Arts and more. Y'all know she be hooking it up on her channel. And I like what she be doing. So I know she be busy, but I still just go around be sharing her out because I like what she do on her channel. And I definitely appreciate the gifts and stuff. I definitely like all of them. I'm definitely gonna rock them. And that was my favorite color. But you know, I gotta put it in an order now. I wanna get some other colors as well so I can rock it. So this is the first unboxing. So thank you very much, Campbellton St Arts. And now we're gonna go to this. What is in this bag? I know everybody be like, man, Jordan, why you always eating cereal, player? I said, because it's convenient. It's convenient. And I said, but I said, I'm gonna start cooking it in January, and I did. I ate I made some eggs, I made some pancakes, you know what I mean? And I said, I'm gonna start baking. But when I start baking, I need the right product and equipment to start baking. And look at this, y'all. Hey. And I got this right here because of official Jamia. She sent me the link. So now I have myself my own personal hand mixer so I can start baking cakes. Matter of fact, let me take my hair out. I gotta show off my hair. Move that out the way. You know what I mean? So now I got me a personal mixer so I can start getting ready to make cakes and stuff. Because I said I was going to be baking, you know what I mean? Baker, man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. That's show what I'm going to do because I'm the man. Why you always put stuff in freestyle? Said, word free customer service. It got the little card to let you know. So we got the support and warranty. Said, please contact us and tell us about your order ID problem, and we will reply within 24 to 48 hours. Lifetime customer support. If you have any questions, all you gotta do is call them. Lifetime? That's what's up. That's what's up. We got my little whisk so I can start beating stuff up, so I can stop using my hand like old school days. And I'm like, man, it's time for the whisk. Hey, y'all got to get on the board. Y'all have to get on board, y'all. Y'all have to get on board. Y'all gonna have to get on board because it's going down. It's going down. I will have this link in my thing where I ordered it on Amazon. But you know, most of the stuff I get is on Amazon anyway. But also, Official Jamie get a lot of her stuff on TikTok. Make sure y'all go check out Official Jamie TikTok shop. And she got a lot of stuff that if y'all order stuff on TikTok, go over there and check it out. You know, this is the bottom part, you know what I mean? We got the instructions on here, you know what I mean? But, you know, most of us don't even look at that, just throw that to the side. We just gonna figure it out ourselves until we can't figure it out no more. Just throw it to the side. They're like, dang, why I can't get it to work? Why I can't get it to work? Because you didn't look at the instructions, that's why. And then you're like, well, I guess I'll look at the instruction then. Hey, 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 hey.
Motion detected at the doorbell. Someone at your front door.
Nobody at my front door. I'm looking at the window. Get your hand. So they said, you know how they say, I'm in love with my cocoa. I'm in love with my cocoa. I'm about to make me some bacon dough. I'm in love with my cocoa. But yeah, these are the two things I got. This is the one I got from Amazon. It's as you can see, if I threw the box somewhere. I got myself a hand mixer, and it's got the turbo, so I can like hit the speed on there and all that stuff. And I can put my stuff at the bottom when I need it. So if I need to just clap it on. So if I need it, I can just clap it on, have everything in there. So I mean, I can take it with me wherever. Put it in there. Put it in there. Hey. 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 I'm going to do 360 just because I can show my hair. It wasn't really for this. It's for my hair. I want y'all to see it. Y'all see it? But with that being said, whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch. Make sure you drink water. I will have Passion Tree Arts in the description. I will also have Official Jamia in the description because she the one sent me the link about the mixer. Because I said I'm going to start baking this year. And why not? So I just needed some stuff. Couple more stuff, and then I will be on the road to start making some cakes and stuff like that. So but you remember whatever I say goes. Nah, I'm just playing. Whatever I say don't go. But whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tell me what you think about my hair. You know what I mean? And let's go. If anybody, everybody's help each other, support everybody, we can all be successful together. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I'm going to end it out saying fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Yeah. Uh-huh.